Basic practices of crop production. Cultivation of crops involves several activities undertaken by farmers over a period of time. These activities or tasks are referred to as agricultural practice, which are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, and storage. Now, let's talk about preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. Turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that the plants can use these nutrients. And thus, turning and loosening of soil is very important for cultivation of crops. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done by using a plow. Plows are made up of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plowing. The plowed field may have big clumps of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs. Leveling the field is beneficial for sowing as well as for irrigation. Leveling of the soil is done with the help of a leveler. Sometimes manure is added to the soil before tilling. This helps in proper mixing of the manure with soil. The soil is moistened before sowing. Let's talk about agricultural implements. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break soil clumps to get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. The main tools used for this purpose are the plow, hoe, and the cultivator. Plow. This is a being used since ancient times for tilling the soil, adding fertilizers to the crop, removing the weeds and turning the soil. This is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals. Hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening of the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad, and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade. It is also pulled by an animal. Cultivator. Nowadays, plowing is done by a tractor driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves labor and time.